Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating space. Pause devices, breathe, and center your attention on Jesus. Tell him honestly where you are and offer simple praise. This frames the conversation. Once done, name the request clearly. Specifics help you and shape your focus. Explain why this matters to you and how it connects to others when relevant. Make sure to speak plainly. Sincerity matters more than formality. This opening readies your heart and sets the tone for the steps that follow. You now make the core request. Speak the need clearly, including details like timing or measurable outcomes when helpful, because specifics guide your expectations. At the same time, add a humble clause. Submit your desire to Jesus' will. This balances trust with surrender. Ask also for wisdom and practical steps so you don't just wait but partner in action. Once you've asked, pause and listen. Be open to impressions, scriptures, or gentle convictions that may follow. You finish by transferring the outcome to Jesus. Trust him to respond in his timing and way, while you take reasonable, faithful actions that match the prayer. Make gratitude a regular habit. Thank him for progress and lessons. If you don't see change, persist. Keep praying with patience, re-examine your motives, and seek wise counsel or scripture for clarity. One troubleshooting tip. If you feel stuck, simplify the request, remove prideful attachments, and ask God to reshape your desire.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.